There was a woman named Sarah, who was an example of love and giving in her family. She had 3 wonderful children, John, Lila, and Michael. Sarah cared for them indescribably, and she spent a lot of time with them, reading them stories and playing with them. But one day, a terrible disaster struck this happy family. The house was subjected to a massive fire and the fire broke out violently. Sarah tried hard to save her 3 children, but the thick smoke and extreme heat made it impossible. Firefighters pulled the family out of the fire and took them to the hospital, but unfortunately, none of the children survived. Sarah was deeply affected by the loss of her dear children, and her heart was torn with grief. Sarah began to live a difficult life, feeling empty and deeply sad. But she decided to use this bitter experience for the benefit of others. She established a charity named after her 3 children and began collecting donations to support families in need and children who had lost loved ones. Sarah became a symbol of motherhood and strength in her community. She provided emotional and material support to others who had gone through similar difficult experiences, helping to ease their pain and rebuild their lives. Sarah learned that life does not stop with hardships, but rather we can find the strength within us to move forward and help others. Despite her painful loss, Sarah was able to turn her grief into a strength that inspires many and brings hope to their lives. Lila has been reaching out to women suffering from a similar tragedy, sharing her story and offering them emotional support. She has also become a strong voice for the rights of mothers and children, and has worked to promote awareness of the importance of protecting children and providing them with a safe environment. Thanks to her continuous efforts and continued charitable work, Lila has become an icon of motherhood and great strength. She was able to transform her personal pain into inspiring humanitarian work, and touched the lives of many people. Lila continues on her journey to serve others and bring positive change to the world. Despite the unimaginable loss she experienced, she was able to use her inner strength and deep love to become a symbol of motherhood, dedication, and giving. Lila's story is one of pain and challenges, but also of hope, strength, and positive change. It reminds us of the power of the human spirit and the ability to overcome difficulties and make a difference in the lives of others.